Hey y'all, it's Kia, back with another snack attack. So, what did I get this time? Boom! Some beef jerky. So, this isn't your ordinary beef jerky. In this shop, I saw all kinds of weird stuff. Yes, there was beef, but there was exotic animals too. What exotic animals, Kia? Like alligator? Yes, like alligator. We got snapping turtle, camel, rabbit. Oh. And if I don't like any of it, wash it down with some water. If any of you are wondering if these are actually the animal, yes. Here's a clip to prove what the shop owner, or I guess he was the owner, maybe just the employee, but here's the clip to prove my point. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Is this actual snapping turtle jerky?
Yeah, all of them are actual animals.
What?
Yeah.
So if I'm eating python jerky, I'm eating an actual python.
You're eating actual python.
What?
The kangaroo, the camel, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Your response is pretty much the same as everybody's, so it's, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool though.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes they don't believe me when I say it, and I'm like, yeah, it is, yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's see if we can eat an exotic animal today. Okay, so we gonna start out with Mr. Fluffy. The rabbit. Now, I grew up in the South. I ate rabbit before. Smells good. It smells sweet. All right, Mr. Fluffy. Let's see, get a good piece. All right. That's what it's looking like. Tastes sweet. Yeah, it's just sweet. It says it's a heat level 2. There's no heat. It's just sweet. Bars. All right, next is snapping turtle. I ain't gonna lie, I've been wanting to try turtle. Why? Because. All right. Smells like, I don't know. Like it's beginning to be like jerky. Heat level 2, sweet level 5. All right, another sweet meat. There we go. Snapping turtle. Definitely jerky. Very chewy. It don't taste like anything. Nothing exotic. There's definitely heat to the snapping turtle, but it doesn't taste like anything. I love the heat. I wish it was a bit hotter. But as far as taste, it doesn't really taste like anything. So 4, but the spice 6. It's all right. I wish it tastes more exotic. The rabbit, too sweet for me. I don't care for too sweet a meat unless it's like barbecue sauce, but then I would also like spicy with it. So, and this doesn't taste like any rabbit that I've had. Like, rabbit usually has a gamey taste, and this, well, if you know how to cook it right, it's not too gamey, but it definitely, rabbit definitely has a distinct taste. This just tastes like straight up sweet meat, so I give this a 3. Last but not least, camel. Oh, there we go. Camel. All right, camel, don't let me down. Heat 2, sweet 5. All right. Now that smells like steak. All right, they gave me bigger pieces than the camel. So let's see. This is peppered camel. Again, just sweet meat. I don't taste exotic animal. It tastes like sweet. I'm so disappointed. Ever since I seen Rush Hour, and Jackie Chan was like, camel hump. I've been wanting to try camel to see what it tastes like. This is an injustice, I think. It just tastes like sweet meat. So again, because it's so sweet, 3. 3. 3. I'm gonna put this down to 3.5, and because it has heat, a 5 for the heat only, because it's spicy and I love spicy. But if you all ever want to try this, this is from the Beef Jerky Experience out in Castle Rock, Colorado. Go and visit it. There's actually beef jerky in there, and the exotic animals, also some other surprises. Have you guys ever tried anything exotic? Are y'all from the South like me and never tried a rabbit? All right, let me know. If you like this video, be sure to like this video. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe for more content. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, well, I ain't wasting money on that. Each one of them. $19.99 for each of these packs, and it just tasted like sweet meat.